Good morning, class. As we have completed our first poem, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. So now today we have to start our first chapter, and that is the word in a wall. The word in a wall. This chapter is an autobiography. Autobiography means a story of anyone written by himself or herself. A story of anyone written by himself or herself. So there is the story of a boy, Grenold Durrell. Grenold Durrell is the writer of this chapter, and it is autobiography of Grenold Durrell. And the name of the book is My Family and Other Animal. My Family and Other Animal. So, Durrell was an expert in study animal, means he liked to study about animal. When he was 10 years old, his family moved to an island in Greek to live with his older brother Larry, and it was here that he began to collect and keep animals as a pet. So in this chapter, we find there was a boy, and who is talking about a Greek, a wall around the garden near his house. The crumbling wall. Crumbling means falling apart in small pieces. Wall that surround means very old wall. The crumbling wall that surrounded means covered the garden alongside the house was a rich hunting ground for me. Hunting ground means hunting area. Hunting area. It was an ancient brick wall that had been plastered over, but now with outer skin was green with moss, bulging and sagging with the dump of many winter. Means the wall was very old, very ancient, and it is made up of with brick and plastered. The wall was made up of brick and it is plastered wall, but now the outer skin of the wall was look like green because of moss, and it is wet because of moss and sagging with the damp of many winters. The whole surface was an interacted map of cracks, means because of the cracks on the wall, it looked like a map. Means it is divided into many parts. Interact means divided into many parts because of the crack, and it's look like a crack map of cracks. Some several inches wide, means some part of the wall is several inch wide, and other was fine as hair, means other part of the wall is look like a hair. Here and there large pieces had dropped out and revealed the row of rose pink brick laying beneath. Means the plaster of the wall is falling down, and now where the plaster is fall down, there were rose pink brick color of the wall. Means the wall was made up of with brick, but it is now very old wall, that is why it is falling down in a pieces, and there were crack, and that is why it looks like a map. Okay class, this is very difficult and very long chapter. It will take the whole week, so class listen it carefully, and as I told you that you have to find out the meaning of difficult words, so now you again have to write these difficult words and their meaning both in Hindi and English. This is enough for today. I will explain the next paragraph tomorrow.